Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the best crypto trading platform and apps that can give you an edge in the market. With hundreds of options available, the wrong choice could cause high cost, weaken security or missed opportunity. That's why this is important so that you stay tuned until the end of the video because you will not only discover the most reliable platforms today, but you would also learn how to choose the one that fits your trading styles and goals. When it comes to crypto trading, your platform choice can make the difference between being profitable and costly mistakes. Crypto markets never sleeps. You need a platform that keeps your trading demands while keeping your funds secured. Let me walk you through some of the reputable platform. The first platform we're going to be talking about will be the MetaTrader 4, the MT4. And the MT4 remains one of the most recognized trading platforms in the world. While it was originated and designed for Forex trading, many brokers now offer cryptocurrency trading through the MetaTrader 4, which makes the MetaTrader appealing for crypto traders in its similar or familiar interface and robust analytical tools that millions of traders already know how to use. Now, this platform strength relies in its proven stability and extensive customization options. You can access a vast library of technical indicators. You can also You can also access the expert advisor and a customized script. And this customization has been developed over nearly 2 decades. This platform offers a lot of robust tools that millions of traders already know how to use. The platform's strength lies in its proven stability and extensive customization options. You can access a vast library of technical indicators. Remember that the expert option supports automated trading through the expert advisor, which means you can run sophisticated crypto trading bots directly from your MT4 terminal. The MT4 charting capability are solid and offering multiple time frames. They offer multiple time frames and technical analysis tools such as your moving average, your oscillator, your average directional movement index, your average true. There are a lot of indicators that are being offered on the MetaTrader 4. Now, this platform is not designed with cryptocurrency in mind. Those are the significant limitations for crypto trading using this MetaTrader 4. So you will need to find a crypto specific feature like an advanced order type common in dedicated crypto exchanges. The selection of cryptocurrency pairs is limited compared to what you would find on a dedicated crypto platform. We're talking about the the limitations of the MetaTrader 4. So the selection of the cryptocurrency pairs are usually limited, so you will need to have to find that on a dedicated crypto platform, typically offering only major pairs like the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin against the USD and Euro. Those are the currency pairs, the crypto match pairs that you likely be able to trade on the MetaTrader 4. So the next platform we're going to be talking about will be the MetaTrader 5. Now, the MetaTrader 5 represents the evolution of the MetaTrader platform, offering enhanced features that makes it more suitable for modern crypto trading. While maintaining the familiar MT4 interface, the MetaTrader 5 provides an improved performance, more time frames, and better analytical tools that could benefit the crypto trader or traders that understand this platform. The platform also offers 21 time frames compared to the MetaTrader 4's 9 time frame, giving you more um, granular control over your analysis. This is particularly valuable in the crypto market where price movement can be extremely rapid and requires precise timing. MetaTrader 5 also supports more order types including buy stops, sell limits, sell stop, market execution, which can be crucial for managing risks in volatile crypto markets. Now, the MT5 economic calendar and news integration can help you stay informed about the news events that could impact the crypto market. The platform provides real-time data, news feeds, and economic data that can influence crypto prices from regulatory announcements to adoption news. This integrated approach helps you to make more informed trading decisions without switching between multiple platforms. The MetaTrader, the MQL5 program language in the MetaTrader 5 is more advanced than the MetaTrader 4 MQL4, allowing for more sophisticated automated trading strategy. You can create complex crypto trading algorithm that takes advantage of the market inefficiency, arbitrage opportunities, and technical patterns specific to crypto market. However, the MT4 and MT5 still face the fundamental limitations of being designed primarily for your traditional financial market. Now, the crypto offering are typically limited to CFDs rather than actual crypto currency ownership, and the spreads are generally higher than what you would find on dedicated crypto exchanges. Now, the next platform that we're going to talk about would be the TradingView. Now, the TradingView has been revolutionized how traders approach the technical analysis and social trading, and this extends the powerful into the cryptocurrency space. This extends powerfully into the cryptocurrency space. Unlike the MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5, the TradingView is not primarily an execution platform. It is a web-based charting and analytic powerhouse that has become the gold standard for cryptocurrency analysis. What makes the TradingView exceptional for crypto trading is its comprehensive coverage and superior charting capabilities. You can analyze virtually every cryptocurrency pair across multiple exchanges simultaneously. The platform aggregates data from major exchanges such as the Binance, the Coinbase, the Kera, and hundreds of other more, giving you a complete view of the crypto market landscape. Now, the social aspect of TradingView is particularly valuable in crypto trading. The cryptocurrency community on TradingView is massive and active, with thousands of traders sharing analysis, prediction, and trading ideas daily. You can follow successful crypto traders, see their published charts, learn from their analysis technique. This creates an invaluable learning environment where you can observe how traders navigate the volatile crypto market. The The TradingView Pine script programming language allows you to create custom indicators specifically specifically designed for cryptocurrency market. You can develop indicators that track on-chain metrics, social sentiment, or unique crypto patterns that you can develop through an on-chain metrics. These market patterns that traditional indicators might miss. Now, this platform extensive library includes hundreds of crypto-specific indicators created by the community. The platform also offers multiple subscription tiers, with each subscription offering more and more opportunities and more and upgraded features that you can use in your TradingView. You get real-time data for major cryptocurrencies, basic charting tools, and access to community ideas. The paid plan unlocks the advanced features like multiple chart layouts, extended historical data, and priority alerts. However, TradingView's main limitation is execution. While the platform has partnered with several crypto brokers and exchanges for direct trading, the execution capabilities are not as robust as dedicated crypto exchanges. Many crypto traders use TradingView for analysis and then execute trades on their preferred exchange, which can create some workflow delay during fast moving markets. Now, the last but not the least exchange platform that we're going to talk about is called the cTrader. Now, the cTrader represents a more modern approach to trading platform design, and its crypto offering has been gained among serious traders. The platform was built from the ground up with modern thinking in mind, offering a clean, intuitive interface that makes it particularly appealing for traders transitioning from other markets into the cryptocurrency. The platform order execution is notably fast and transparent, which is crucial in the crypto market where prices can change rapidly. The cTrader uses ECN, which is known as the Electronic Communication Network, for executions, which means your orders are matched directly with other traders or liquidity providers rather than being processed by a dealing desk. This typically results in better pricing and faster execution speed for crypto trades. Now, the cTrader charting capability are sophisticated yet user-friendly. This platform offers advanced technical analysis tools specifically optimized for trading crypto, including tools for analyzing blockchain data, on-chain metrics. You can create complex charting layouts to allow you monitor the crypto multiple crypto pairs simultaneously, which is essential for identifying arbitrage opportunities or market correlation. The platform risk management tools are particularly strong and crypto trading. You can set advanced stop losses and take profit orders, including trading stops that can help you capture profits during crypto volatility periods while limiting downside risks. Position size calculator was already built in this platform, which will help you to manage your risks across multiple crypto positions on your account size and risk tolerance. The platform also offers excellent mobile trading apps that maintains full functionality for crypto trading on the go, giving crypto markets never sleeps. Having reliable mobile access is crucial for managing positions and responding to the market opportunity outside regular trading hours. However, the cTrader crypto offerings are still somewhat limited compared to dedicated cryptocurrency exchanges. The selection of available crypto pairs are small and you typically trade CFDs rather than owning actual cryptocurrency. The spread and commission may also be higher than what you would find on cryptocurrency exchanges. So these are the difference between all the cryptocurrency exchanging platforms. You just need to pick the one that best suits your side, go through it, and see how you can become very familiar with the interface of each of the crypto exchanges discussed previously. All right, traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.